Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Deepa. So today is day 38 of solving daily problems on LeetCode. Let us see what today's problem is. So it is problem number 992 and the problem says to calculate the subarrays with k different integers. So from last 3 days we are having problems which are related to subarrays and which are part of arrays only. So in this question it is given that we are given an integer array nums, and we have to return the k, a subarray which has k different numbers. Okay, an integer k, return the number of good subarrays of nums. So a good subarray is an array where the number of different integers in that array is exactly k. Okay, so if given subarray is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, and my k value is, the subarray should have three different integers. Okay, so in this given example I can take 1 to 3 as my one subarray, 2 3 4 another subarray, 3 4 2 another subarray, then 1 2 4 is my another subarray, like this. So these are the pairs which will, we have like subarrays which will satisfy the condition that it should have exactly k different integers. Okay, so to solve this problem, the intuition to solve this problem is, problem asks us to count the number of subarrays in an array that has exactly k distinct integers. So we can approach this by using sliding window technique. Like we was previously solving problems using sliding window. So similarly we will use the approach of sliding window technique here to make to solve our problem. So to maintain a window, we will use two pointers left and right to define subarray within nums. Okay, now we will track distinct elements. So we will use a hash map to keep a track of the frequencies of elements encountered within the window. Using a hash map, we will keep a track of all the numbers which are coming within that window. Now, initially, the window will be empty and we will increment right to include new elements. Let's say, if this is, let's say this is our example. Okay. So, initially, my left and my right pointer both are present at 1. So now I will move my right pointer ahead one by one and keep on checking for the distinct elements. Now ensure at most k distinct elements. If the size of hash map exceeds k, we need to shrink the window from the left side. If our size of hash map increases, so now then we will increment our left pointer ahead. And to maintain efficiently, we will remove elements from hash map if their frequency drops to 0. Means while moving ahead, like while moving from 1 to 2, we will keep a track, and now from the hash map we will decrease the frequency of 1. So MP of 1 we will decrease. Okay, so we will say MP of 1 minus minus. Now we will make a count of valid subarrays which will be equal to right minus left plus 1, and every subarray within this range will have exactly k distinct integers. Now for this given example you can see that it has three integers 1, 2 and 3, and rest are repeating. So input is 1 to 1 2 3. Now the k value is 2, that it should have two different integers in it. Okay, at least two different. So first pair is 1 2, second becomes 2 1, then 1 2, third fourth is 2 3, then 1 to 1. It has k different integers. You can see here 1 and 2 are different, and the third integer can repeat as it is mentioned in the question. So here two different are 2 1, and it also have two different integers which is 1 and 2. So this is how we will solve this problem. Now let us try to code this problem. So we will solve this problem with the help of recursion. Sorry, means we will define another function here which will give us the answer. So let us first declare the size variable here, int n, which will store my nums array size, nums dot size. Now next, from here above I will define a function. which will return me the number of subarrays which have k different integers, and that function name is find subarrays. Okay, so it will take vector int as input, vector int nums as input, another integer it will take int n, the size, and the third integer how many different elements are needed in that particular subarray. So int answer is equals to 0. Now other two variables we will declare left and right, which are also equals to 0. Now an unordered map to keep a track of frequencies, which will be of integer type, and we will give it a name of MP. Now next we will run a while loop while right is less than n. Now inside this we will check if that element is present in my unordered map. If MP find nums right, which is initially at 0. If MP find is equals to MP dot end, which means that element is not found in the given unordered map. So in that case, I'm missing one parenthesis here, and let me just remove it from here. It means that it is not present. So in that case, we will add that element in our unordered map, and we will increment its frequency, and we will make it equals to 1. Now otherwise, if the element is present, we simply need to increment it, that the element is already present, so we will make it plus plus. Now and again we will run a while loop here, and inside this while loop we will check if empty dot size is greater than k, and the second condition will be left should be less than equals to right. And inside this while loop, first we'll decrement our nums left position at which it is currently present, will decrement its frequency, and if it is present in my nums left, it becomes 0, which means the count for particular element is has become 0. In that case I have to erase it from my unordered maps memory. Okay, so nums left will get removed from my unordered map, and from here I will increment my left. Now at last I will answer plus equals to right minus left plus 1. So these will be my subarrays which have k distinct integers with it. Now right is plus plus. We will move right pointer also ahead, and at last from this function we will return our answer. And let us make a call from our main function to this function. So we will make a call from this subarrays function. We will say return, and we will write our function name find subarrays. And here first we will pass nums, then we will pass n, and then we will pass k. And minus, again we will pass the same function for nums, comma n, comma k minus 1. Okay, so now let's try to run this code. It's giving us errors that an attribute list cannot appear here. So mp dot find nums right. We should not give here double parenthesis, I think. Okay. It is giving, did you mean to call it with no arguments? Mp dot size. Let's check mp nums, then decreasing, then checking for left, then mp dot erase nums left plus plus, and then calling it from our another function. Now let us run it again. It is accepted. Now let's just submit it to check for other test cases. So we have solved today's problem of the day, and I hope this video is clear to you. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section, and please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.